Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. I want to quickly share with you a brief story that happened some time ago. As a farmer, where do you buy your seed? As a farmer who is into the farm business or a beginner who just started, where do you buy your seeds? Okay, I want to share with you this brief story. Some time ago, something happened. So I went to buy a pepper seed, sweet pepper seed to plant. Then I walk into this shop. It's an agro shop per se. Then I demanded for sweet pepper, of which I got a packet. So I went back. I planted the seed in a nursery tray to nurse it. So after nursing the pepper, I transplanted. Immediately I transplanted, I noticed that the crop was not doing well the way I wanted. After applying things that I needed to apply, I noticed that the crop wasn't doing well. At a time, all the crop just died, just dried up at the same time. So I went back to the agro store. I complained. I told them that, look at what happened to my crop at once. So they asked me, did you nurse? I said, yes, I nursed. They asked me some certain question which I answered. I said, okay, I want the seed again. Maybe this time around I didn't take proper care of it. Let me get another one, then I will take proper care of it this time around. Then I got another one. I came back again. I nursed. Before you know it, some died right in the tree. The ones that were able to survive, I transplanted. The next day, they all, I don't know, they just dried up. I went back to the shop again. I complained. I told them that, okay, look at what is going on. They were still asking, did you nurse this and that? I say, yes, I nursed the peppers. Then, when I get into the shop, I noticed something. I saw them bringing out seeds from peppers. This time around, although it was not sweet pepper, but it was pepper, other type of pepper, like the habanero pepper. So they were bringing out seeds from the fruits, from the habanero fruits. They were extracting the seeds from the pepper. So I was now confused. I say, is this the hybrid seed they sold to me? Is it how they got the seeds they sold to me? Because after getting the seeds from the peppers, they will dry it and maybe anyhow they will packet it, and you might think that is the right hybrid seed to plant. You never knew that that is not hybrid seed. That is F2. That is second filial generation, the seed from the hybrid itself, the seed from the hybrid fruit. That is what they harvested and sold to me. And they have been selling to other people too, not just only me. Who knows how they other people has been complaining. But this was what I noticed the third day I entered the shop. This was what I saw. I was confused a little bit. I said, am I not sure? How sure am I that this is not how the sweet pepper seed they sold to me was gotten from? So after after complaining my complaints, I went home that day. Now it was down on me that what I bought was not the hybrid seed. So as a farmer, if you want to buy seed, make sure you buy from the agro shops. There are agro shops that sells the right seed, and the seed you need to buy is always demand for hybrid seed. Quite all right. it might be costly. Yes, it's costly, but always demand for hybrid seed. They grow faster and mature faster. Okay, so that is the kind of seed you will plant in your farm. Do not go to maybe people selling pepper fruit, tomato fruit, all those cucumber seed. Anywhere you see them sell seed, you go and buy. You will find out that when you plant those ones and also plant hybrid seed, you find out that hybrid seed perform much more better than that particular seed you bought anyhow, anywhere. So as a farmer, you need to get the right seed. If you want to succeed in farming business, you need to get the right seed of any crop you want to plant. Make sure you tell the agro shops that you need F1 seed of so and so. Although there are different brands when it comes to pepper. Let's say you want to plant habanero pepper, there are different companies producing habanero pepper. They might ask you the type, the one you want, maybe from this company, from that company, but make sure whatever you are buying the right seed, and you are buying F1 of that particular seed. You want to buy the hybrid first filial generation of that seed you want to plant in your farm. So make sure the seed you are buying is hybrid seed. So this is the story I want to share with you all. As a farmer, as a beginner, someone who wants to venture into farming, you need to buy the right seed. If you do not buy the right seed, you are wasting your time. You will find out that at a long run you will get frustrated and then quit. Okay, so you have to buy the right seed so that you don't mess the whole thing up. So that is my story. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye.